You can make a statement. You can take a chance. You can do things differently. You can even reshape the future. But real change, true change, starts from within. The all-new NX. Performance that empowers you. Technology that isn't just intuitive, it's second nature. Reconceived from the inside out. To be more in tune with you. This is new. New technology. New sculpted lines. New thinking. What it generates is timeless. Every element of performance in the NX comes from the Lexus driving signature philosophy, which imagines a vehicle as an extension of a driver's intent. Improved aerodynamic performance and drive force control contribute to more linear response and a greater sense of confidence when accelerating and cornering. A choice of powertrains as well as front-wheel and all-wheel drive options also keep driver and vehicle in perfect sync. One such option is the Lexus Burst plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, the latest expression of Lexus electrified. The NX is also the product of evolving Lexus design that emphasizes not only aesthetics, but also ease of use, with technology that is not just intuitive, but second nature. The centerpiece is a concept called Tazuna, the Japanese term for using reins to control the movement of a horse. Every element you interact with has been designed and positioned to better serve the needs of the driver. As a result, you can maintain sharp focus on driving while controlling other features of the vehicle. A key component of the Tazuna concept is the all-new available 14-inch multimedia touchscreen, which can also be controlled through voice commands. E-latch and exit assist make getting in and out of the vehicle easier and safer, working with the blind spot monitor to help prevent the door from opening in the case of oncoming traffic. A digital key gives you seamless, shareable access to your car through your smartphone. And remote parking helps you fit into tight spots. Reconceived from the inside out to be more in tune with you. The all-new NX by Lexus.